Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Hello Writing Wizards, and welcome to Master Cursive with Colors, where each stroke is a sprinkle of fun. I'm Miss Jackie, and so happy to create cursive magic with you today. Our mission is to continue learning the cursive lowercase letters of L, B, and E. In the last lesson, you learned how to form these letters with big rainbow writing movements, and today that will change to medium-sized movements. But before we can jump in, let's make sure you have the supplies for today's lesson. You will need the stoplight colored markers and one big dark marker. Also, page 22 from your Master Cursive with Colors workbook. If you need to gather your supplies, pause the video and go get them. I'll wait here until you get back. Okay, buckle up Brainiacs, because here we go. Okay, here we have our workbook, page 22, and our stoplight markers and a big chunky dark marker. I'll be using blue for this page. So if you could join with me with a we do, pick up your green marker and write your name at the top. I already did. And notice that the directions say copy the sample and then write 6 times, because each letter has 6 start dots on the writing line practice. So let's look at letter L for ladybug. And let's make a green start dot right on its baseline. And then let's go to B for balloon and put a little start dot right there. And letter E as well for eagle starts on the baseline. Well done. Then what we're going to do is we are going to take our yellow. And we don't have a place to pause and turn around, but we do have a place where we need to slow down and turn left. So right above the L, make a little yellow left turn arrow. Like on a road, a dangerous curve will have these yellow left turning arrows. Well done. And now finally, please join me in putting the stop dot at the end of each letter. An L finishes off its baseline, off the baseline for a stop dot, and letter B comes off the baseline and then has a little happy tail or wagging bridge, and its connector is not on the baseline. It will connect mid-air. And letter E will end off the baseline right into its connector. Well done. Okay, I need you now to listen carefully while I show you the formation of letter L, and then you will join me. So as you remember from our rainbow writing, L starts on the baseline. There's a tall, long up slant, and then we turn left, loop around, and cross to touch the baseline. That's it. Would you please take your big, dark, chunky marker and join with me with a we do. We're going to put our marker right here. I have my paper slanted. My other hand is gently holding the paper, and my whole arm isn't going to move as much this time, but my hand and fingers will be moving. So let's go on the baseline. Are you ready? Here we go. Up slant, turn left, come down, cross over that first slant, touch the baseline, and loop up to the connecting end dot. Very well. All right, let's go on the first start dot and do it on our own. We're going to up slant, touch that top line, turn slowly left, come down and cross our first line and make a connector. Well done. Let's go to the next one, and we're going to up slant, slow down, turn to the left, come down a ways, and then cross that first slant and pull through for the connector. Notice that I did not cross my first slant till I was well below the midline. You do not want to take your L and cross too early, because then it will look like that, and we don't want that. So try not to cross that first slant till you get below that midline. All right, let's do one more together. We're going to up slant, turn left, and don't cross over till you get underneath that midline and make a connector. Nice job. Now I would like you to finish the rest of the row, and I will finish while you finish. How did you do? When I look at mine, I notice that I have all of them nice and tall, and some of them are wider than others. And you don't want L to be too wide. I think that's too wide. And you don't want it to be too thin. Somewhere in the middle. So I'm looking at all of mine, and I think I like my middle one best. Where is your best one? And don't pick the sample. So is it in the front, the end, or somewhere in the middle? Well done. Okay, we are going to move down to lowercase letter b. I would like to instruct you quickly with that, and then you can join me. So with lowercase b, listen like an owl and watch like an owl. I will get on the baseline. I will up slant, slow down, turn around, and then cross over by the baseline, come up, and make a little happy tail that sticks out, or a walking bridge. All right, I would like you to do that with me. Take your marker, let's put it down on the tracer, and up, slant, turn left, go down, then cross, touch the baseline, and reach out with a happy tail. Now let's try it without tracing. Here we go. Turn, go to the baseline, come up, and connector. Now my connector is quite close to the midline, but it doesn't have to be perfectly on it. Let's try again. Now remember, it does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you keep trying. We're going to go up, slant, turn left, come down, cross over after the midline, come up, and make a happy tail. All right, next one. We're going to up slant, turn left, touch the baseline, and come up for a walking bridge connector. All right, I would like you to finish the rest of the row, and I will work while you work. Do. Just like my L's, I noticed that some are wider than others, and I'm very curious to see if I was aware to touch the top line, because lowercase b is a tall letter, so it must touch the top line. And when I look at all of my B's, I think my middle one is my best again. I don't want to be too wide, I don't want to be too skinny, and that looks just about right. Please choose your best one. And let's move on to letter E, like eagle. I think we could start with a we do on letter E, because it moves just like all the other letters from today's lesson, except it is only as tall from the baseline to the midline. Here we go. Let's place our marker on the E. Let's up slant, turn over, cross, and make the connector. Well done. And here we go. You're making an up slant and a loop. Go to the next one. And finally, the third one we will do together. Up slant, turn over itself, cross, and there's letter E. And then I would like you to finish the rest of the row. How did you do? Please pick your very best one. Make sure none are taller than the midline and that they cross toward the baseline. Well done.
You are a handwriting hero. Today
Today we practice proper letter formation with chunky marker strokes for some middle-sized magic. Keep practicing by copying more pages from today's lesson and working on your own until each letter feels just right. Remember, success belongs to those who dream big and keep going. You know what else? Feeling proud of yourself is the best kind of celebration. So keep writing, keep smiling, and we'll be back in a flash with more cursive joy. See you soon.